Guys, good morning! Nagbabalik ang Lakay Tracker at andito tayo ngayon sa Boners Ferry truck stop. Ito, nakita nyo, maluwang na truck stop. Bihira ang nakapark na truck. Kagandahan pa rito, libre ang wifi. Kumbaga dito sa Canada, US, mga truck stop dito free na ang wifi eh. Ayan guys ha. So it's time for our inspection para sa ating unit. Pre-trip inspection, ilaw of course ni Cordapia. Check natin. Check ko naman kagahapon na yung langis. Okay pa naman sa awa ni Lord. Okay. Now, let's check our tama lang 30 29. Ilagay ko sa continuous kasi continuous ito eh. Yan, continuous na yan, mag-start na yan. Okay. Wala na. Paktay ng gulong. Paktay na. Papalit tayo. Tatawagan ko na yung aking October naman na ngayon eh. Baka next month magwi-winter na. Magpapalit tayo. Papalit na tayo ng gulong. Puno pa. Yun, numandar yung reaper natin. Ang ilaw, lights of course ni Cordapi. Okay. Dito, kasi may timbangan tayong madadaanan. Make sure dito hindi sasabi. Walang sumasabi. Puta. Ito wala kahapon to eh. Hindi rito. Saan kayo nang galing yun? Saan kayo nang gagaling singaw? Saan kayo nang gagaling singaw? Baka sa lang yung mga yun muna. Baka dyan sa mga niya. Minsan kapag i-start ng truck o nagre-release ang hangin ito eh. Tapos pagka pinaandar mo naman, mawawala. Mamaya, tignan ulit natin. Singaw eh. Narinig nyo guys? May singaw na naman ng trailer. Singaw. Hindi maganda. Delikado pa naman yan. Mabigat pa naman ang pangarga natin. Naku, taktay tayo. Pero titignan ko mamaya. Inspeksyonin ko ulit yan pagka nakatakbo tayo. Yung normal na takbo na bababayin natin. Kasi minsan nangyayari yan. So lights up and down. Siguraduhin natin nakasilyado pa. Perfect. Ayos. Okay, so okay. Siguro kaya pang sumurvive ito ng isang winter. Pero yun, malabo na yun. Napalitan ko na yun. Mayroon pa kamo pagka na-inspection ako, talagang negative yan. Hindi nila pwedeng pagawa ko talaga yung naka-smile siya eh. Pagawa ko talaga itong gulong natin pag na-inspection tayo. But anyway, let's head up. Kaya nag-iingat ako para sa ganun hindi ako ma-pull over ng pulis eh. Ingat lang tayo. Lalo sa mga pulis. Kasi mainit ang commercial vehicle sa mga pulis eh. Siyempre, yan ang inaano nila eh. Mga pulis na yan, tinitignan nila yan. Guys, tara na. Nakuha ko na rin yung manifest ko at tatawid na tayo ng border. let's hit the road. Ito guys, support natin at ito, ganyan lang. So yung gatos tayo, gatos tayo. Umano tumawid ng Plain Washington nung atos. Kaya naman atos, ano bang pizza ngayon? 5 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go guys. Maya maya andun na tayo sa Calgary, Alberta. Deliver tayo bukas ng umaga. Ayos. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Sipagan lang natin. Kunting-kunting kembot na lang. Matatapos na lahat ng mga bayarin at saka ang truck natin. Kasama pati yung bahay namin. Malapit na rin matapos yung bahay namin guys. Kapag matapos ko itong itong truck na to, kasi truck ko is matatapos ko next year, kasi magpa 5 years ang truck ko ng parts, no? At sa mga nakasunod sa akin hindi ko na ipa-plus sa screen nyo yung remaining balance ko, pero sasabihin ko na lang, meron na lang tayong sa 45 ang balance natin. 45,000 Canadian dollar ang balance natin dito sa truck. Yun. So March 2026, 5 taon natin. Nung nakuha ko ang truck, hindi pa ako nag-start magbayad. Kasi mayroon silang pakulo dati na magbayad 3 buwan muna bago ka magbayad. Kumbaga mag-earn ka muna ng revenue. Yung mga puponto ka muna sa sarili mo bago ka magbayad. Kasi may mga pakulo-pakulo rito sa Canada not unlike sa ibang bansa siguro, sa Pilipinas. Pag kumuha ka ngayon ng truck, bayad ako agad yan, matik yan, yung ganun yun. Tapos yung bahay din naman namin, yung mortgage namin, malapit na rin matapos. Ang balance na lang ng mortgage namin is sa 38,000 something.
US 2.
Oh, bukas ang timbangan guys, bukas. Ano? Alright guys, timbangan bukas, timbangan. So let's go, magpatimbang tayo. Sana hindi tayo pull over dito. Para lamang sa gulong natin na yan. Alam nyo naman guys. Para hindi na nga ako kinakabahan, ano ko na nga, magpapalit na nga tayo ng gulong. Oh. Oh, merong ano dun Meron yatang ini-inspection. Ay, madam mati inspection nakakabsat. Flat deck, flat deck. Flatbed, flatbed. May mga pulis. Flatbed. Sana hindi nyo ako pahintuin. Park? Oh, shit. Okay. Please park. Mag-park daw ako. Ay, ano, sabi. Please park. Yun tayo sa kabila. Pinag-park nila ako. Inspection, inspection. Oh, very nice. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Sana hindi nila makita yung gulong ko. Papalit ako ng gulong dito. Kung sakali man. Wala steak! Wala steak! Ano ba naman yan? Ayaw na ayaw ko ito eh. Dapat kagabi, dinaanan ko na to eh. Ay, siya. Dito daw, dito, dito. Dito daw ako, sabi niya. Morning, sir! I'm good, sir. Yes, sir. What do I fill over, sir? Do I meet a violation? Do I meet a violation? Oh, you don't know yet. Okay, okay. There you go. That was license set. Yeah. Sure, sir. Inspection tayo, guys. Inspection. Hazard. Patay yung gulong natin. Patay yung gulong natin. Diyos. Tagay ko yung sarili ko sa Patay tayo. Sana hindi walang magkaitang problema dito sa ano ko. Dito sa sa ating truck.
Calling dispatcher, see if you can. How loaded are you? How heavy?
I believe I'm good, but we can check if you guys want. I'm okay. It's not that heavy.
Okay. Well, let me move this code. That's the only thing I saw was that. But
Well, I'll
hopefully you're parked for repair.
Yeah, I will call them.
Okay, so let me get this code. I'm gonna park over there. I'm just gonna type this up real quick, and I'll be back out in a minute. Okay?
Sir, I wanted to know that my camera is on, okay?
What's that?
My camera is on.
That's fine.
That's fine, okay. And thank you, sir. Okay, I will call my dispatch right away. I will move over there. That's a good thing you stopped me over. I didn't see it too. Tawagan ko muna yung dispatch ko, guys. Buti na lang, pinol-over nila ako. Hindi, tapos tayo. Tapos tayo. Punto muna ako rito para magparet. Wala, pinol-over tayo. Kasi kung hindi tayo pinol-over, hindi natin malalaman lang. Diba nakita nyo naman? Nakita nyo naman yung mag-video talaga ako. Meron ako narinig na sila, pero okay naman. Yun pala ang damage doon. Yung nata mo, hindi natakpan yung nakita pa isa. Otherwise, tapos tayo. Tapos umabot pa yung gulong yun, nakasimento na tayo. Wala. Hindi tayo, tapos tawagan mo yung dispatch. Ay na. Woo! All na all. Sana all, ganyan ang mga pulis. Ulan tayo sa tabi. Ulan tayo sa side. Kailangan ko pinag-book ng sarili ko rito na ako ay trailer namin, lalagay namin ito trailer, tire, place, kami na lang napagawa natin place, and as per tawagan natin yung dispatch natin, guys. Buti na lang, pinol-over nila ako. Kung hindi, tapos tayo. Tapos tayo. muna ako rito para magpa-repair.
At the end of the street, turn right.
Buti na lang pinol over tayo. Kasi kung hindi tayo pinol over, hindi natin malalaman yun. Di ba nakita nyo naman? Nakita nyo naman yung nag-pre-trip talaga ako. Meron na ako narinig na singaw, pero ang gulong ko okay naman. Yun pala ang damage nun. Buti nga kamo, hindi natakpan yung ano nung nakita pa ni sir. Otherwise tapos tayo. Tapos baka sumabog pa yung gulong dyan, naka-aksidente pa tayo. Buti na lang. Dito tayo, tapos tawagan
Turn
ko
right
yung
on
spots.
US 2, then take the first right.
Ay, nako. Taktay na. Woo! Naol na all. Sana all, ganyan ang mga pulis. Ulang tayo sa tabi. Ulang tayo sa side. Okay. Kanina pa itong aking ano eh. Okay, so pre-trip. Ilagay ko on duty. Book, drop, brake, check, log off mid inspection, pre-trip, start personnel, road inspection, breakdown, on duty. I-set up ko lang ito guys, aking ilag, kasi kailangan kong ilagbok ang sarili ko rito na ako ay naka on duty. So trailer, ayun sa ilag namin ilalagay namin ito, trailer, tire, replace kamo na lang, papagawa natin replacement as per officer. Alright, okay, so tatawagan ko lang guys yung aking yung ating okay, so okay, so Boss Rene, patayin muna natin para di maksay sa gas.
Danny speaking.
Hello sir, good morning. How are you?
It's Sunday morning and you're phoning me.
Yeah, I couponing you because it's urgent. I cannot just leave this alone. The trailer, I've been pulled over here in Bonners Ferry scale, and I have issue with the trailer tire. That's why I call you, because we need to pick this. I will send you a picture. I know that it is Sunday. I don't know where to call. Should I call my dispatch or you?
No, it's me.
Ito guys, ang problema, buti na lang na-check na, buti na lang napulover ako ng pulis. Oh, ayan pala yung tumitingaw. Tama. Oh, na-pick up. Buti na lang. Okay, so this is the one. They pull me over here and see, they want this to replace. I'm here in Bonners Ferry. Oh, ayan. So I sending this to my shop manager so that they will see and they will check. Oh. Ito yung naririnig ko kaninang umaga talaga pala. Kasi kaganina, nag-pre-trip tayo dyan lang. At ito, may naririnig ako dito. Akala ko hindi lang siya kasi nasa ilalim siguro yun, kaya hindi masyadong malakas. Yan pala yun, buti na lang talaga na pull over ako ng pulis dito. Ayan. Sabi niya sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, naghanap daw siya ng ng lugar kung saan ako pupunta. Hindi ako pwedeng umalis dito, hindi nila ako papayagang umalis dito hangga't hindi yan napipix. Yan guys, antayin ko lang yung sasabihin ng mga pulis at antayin ko lang yung gagawa. Alright yan guys. Kailangan na talagang palitan yan. Ayan, napicturean ko na at na-send ko sa... wow! Delikado ito. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Wow. Ayun, layuan muna natin. Baka mama biglang sumabog na eh. Delikado. Baka biglang sumabog. Antayin muna natin ng i-text ko na rin naman yung dispatch ko. Yung dispatch ko at yung aking shop manager. Antayin na lang natin ang sasabihin nila. Ayan, i-text ko na rin pati dispatch ko. I put myself on duty rin para sa ganun para sa ganun malaman din nila. Okay, so si Diyos. Tire size. Jesus Christ. Hindi ba? Nagtanong pa sa akin, now this I need that I still don't have. Trailer number is 1440. Location is Bonner's Ferry scale, government scale. Government skill. Yan. Okay. Tire size. Pipicturean ko pa kung anong tire size yun. Okay. So sabi naman ng aking planner, what tire is this? Trailer. Yan. Antayin ko lang sila guys. Punta ko muna kung... Andiyan na yung pulis. Andiyan yung pulis. Ayun na yung pulis. Andiyan na sila. Yeah, to 2.5.
That is most impressive.
I know.
Okay.
Yes,
So-
sir.
No citation, but a warning that you are parked for repair. You got a hole in your tire, and you got to get it fixed before you leave. Okay.
I'll-
citation, just a warning?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do I get a warning, sir? It's my okay, okay.
No points on your license, nothing like that. Okay.
Okay.
I like the GoPro.
Sir, is that okay, the camera? I only I'm doing this so that people never know it, that something like that. I am grateful that you guys.
do a YouTube channel.
I have a YouTube.
Okay. There you go.
And I'm grateful that you parked me, otherwise I don't know. I did my pre-trip. I heard something leaking, but it's not that loud. Probably before it's right there, but I'm planning to stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anytime there's a park for repair, we have to, according to our bosses, issue you either a citation or a warning.
Okay.
I don't think he did this on purpose, so I'm just going to give you a warning.
Yeah.
And it won't affect you in any way, shape, or form.
All right. All right, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Okay.
How's this guy's going?
Okay.
You may want to look at your truck also.
Okay. 22.5 R. Sana hindi napapansin yung truck ko para wala nang problema.
I'm gonna bring my truck over and I'll check the rest of it too. So I'll just pull him back there and
Sure, sir.
I'll check the brakes and such.
Yeah.
I already got your paperwork.
Okay, sir.
Did you give him your load paperwork too?
Oh yeah, I will bring it to him. Okay.
I'll come get it. I'm just gonna move my truck over.
Oh, okay.
I'll be right back.
Sure, sir. Patay na. Ang bihira, nasilipan pa tayo. Nasilipan pa ako. Port of entry. Oh, picturean ko. Send ko sa kanya. Sana hindi walang ma-check dito sa truck ko. Warning. Puta, pag nakita tong gulong ko tapos tayo. Sana hindi mapansin yung gulong ko. Sana hindi mapansin yung gulong ko ng traktor. Pakingtipan ko ito, patanggal ko na nga ito sa susunod. Para sa ganun hindi ako kabado. Ayoko matikitan ng dahil lamang dito. Ngayon, buong ano na ang titignan ngayon. Buong truck ko na ngayon. Raw vlog na to ha. Raw vlog. Pauta, iniikot na sa ilalim. Yung trailer lang ang problema. Nadamay pati truck. Yes, sir.
And your logbook.
Logbook, okay. Alright, pati logbook na.
How's the fire extinguisher? Great. Alarm's always good.
Yeah, hold on, where's my paperwork? Right here.
You just started, didn't you?
Yeah, I just started in there. I just gonna do the I just do my pre-trip. And I heard a little bit before, but cause sometimes there's a leak, but if when you're running, it's gone. So I'm planning.
You made turn the tire a certain way, you might not even be able to hear it anymore.
Yeah, probably it's in the ground. That's what happened. I don't. Yeah.
There's your okay.
Yeah, I did my pre-trip. Yeah. Here you go, sir. Paperwork and
Okay. It's a refrigerated load, right?
I'm sorry, sir.
Refrigerated load?
Yes, sir. Reaper load. Yeah.
Cases of food. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, just turn the key to the on position
There you go.
and then turn all the lights on.
There you go.
Okay. We go drop this off and we'll check out the
Sure,
lights.
sure, sure. So ilagay ko ang sarili ko on duty. Display planning. Okay, waiting for CABC. More. Ano bang dapat dito? So roadside inspection. Can I put the roadside inspection here? What is this, sir? We gonna put roadside inspection? Okay. Up. Down. Wiper. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's for your camera.
Yeah. It's not to. Yeah, I put, but I'm improvising, but I'm planning to work on that, how to put it. But it's not interfering my.
Fish out in the front.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
GoPro.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a 360 camera, but it's not on right now. This is the one it's on.
Okay. So is your YouTube channel for trucking then?
Yeah, it's just tracking my life in the house, something like that.
Yeah.
That's it.
Fascinating. That's cool.
Okay. Hindi ko nga alam, binobolan na lang yata ako nito eh. Ano to? Only available the display. Ano to? Yes. Okay. Okay.
Good. Put this right here. Oh wow. It's too quiet.
Nagdatingan na yung mga ano.
Weird little things like that.
Sana hindi ako matikitan ng dahil lamang dyan sa ano ko na yan. Papatanggal ko na yan. Kakandak ng inspection ha. Ayan, naka-on duty na tayo. Antayin na lang natin kung anong sasabihin nila sa atin guys. Mag-abang tayo. Raw vlog na to ha. Ini-inches pa nila yung isa. Yun sana siguro yung ano, papalitan na natin yung gulong na yan. At sinisilip na niya oh. Tapos tayo pambira. Hindi na ako papasa doon. Hindi na papasa yung gulong ko na yon. Baka palitan ko na rin dito. hazard. Port of entry. Send someone here. Please send a repair guy. Nabigyan ako ng violation pero warning. Abangan natin kung ano sasabihin, kasi kung sinabing left, titignan yung ilaw. Right, titignan yung right lights. Asan siya? Nasa likod. Kinicheck niya yun. Sana hindi maano yung aking gulong. Madadali niya naman tayo nito. Madadali tayo kung ayaw ko matikitan dahil sa gulong eh. Puta, nakita pa yata, may tikap pa yata yung gulong. May sinulat na naman niya. Sinulat na naman niya, pre. Sinulat na naman niya yung meron tayong tikap na gulong dun eh, sa side.
Okay, can you release the brakes?
Okay.
Push both buttons in. I got you chalked up.
There you go, sir.
I'm gonna go down there and check those brakes. These are disc on the front, so
Yes, sir.
pop underneath there real quick.
Yeah, you're gonna put something in there, right?
I got this.
Oh, okay. Kailangan niyang lagyan ng humps yun. Sinilong sa ilalim. I turn off my key?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright. Lalabas ako para wala siyang masabi.
Rock your steering wheel.
Sir?
Can you rock your steering wheel?
Okay. Should I come out? Come down?
Sure, if you want.
Oh yeah. That way the truck will not move while you're in there. Tapos na ako dun sa isang gulong ko na to. Sigurado na tong gulong ko na to. Sigurado to isang gulong ko na to. Di maano ko yan, madidemolish yan. Sinusukat-sukat nila. Meron din bang ano? Leak? Did you feel something in there, sir?
Yeah.
Yun yung nag...
Your ABS line is leaking.
It's rubbing, right? That's the one that if it's rubbed into the metal, that's what happened.
Yeah, it's actually worn through the metal.
It's went into the metal.
Yeah, it's leaking. You can feel it right here.
Let me see. Yeah, this is probably the one that I heard before when this
Yeah.
one.
That's probably exactly what you're
yeah. Because this is the one it's rubbing in here. I have to tell them now as well.
It's just been run right here.
Right there, okay.
Yeah. So weird. Huh.
That's the noise I heard before when I do my pre-trip, not the other one.
Right.
Because the other one is in the floor. Yeah, I have to tell also them, take picture and send it to them.
Could you go hold the brake pedal now?
Right now? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll go. Alright. Kunin ko rin yung cellphone. Okay, so preno ko, picturean ko. Okay, I can't until get trailer number, wheel location. Tawagan ko nga ito.
Your call has been forwarded
Okay.
to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. Your call has been forwarded to voice.
Location is in the warning document. Trailer outside back. Back. Driver side. I can't until get a trailer number 1440 and wheel location key on. Okay. Sa ABS tinignan din nila.
Set your brakes.
Okay.
Let's fire it up and let's build your air pressure back up.
Want me to rub a little?
Sure. Turn your defroster on. Yep, that works. Okay, good. Alright, hold the brake pedal down. Let's see. I would imagine that one little airline's not going to cause this to, yeah, no, it's not going to cause
The other one, yeah, it's either too much, but I have to. I have to tell to them also they're gonna fix that thing up.
Okay. Okay. So let me go look that airline up.
Okay, sir.
Normally with the airline, that's a brake line. If you have a hole in it, which that one does, it's an out-of-service airline. But I want to double check that one because it's an ABS line.
Yes, sir.
And not a main brake line. So weird, right?
Yes, sir.
And the tire, of course. is the
Yeah.
issue.
I
And
keep
then-
texting them, and then they said they don't know where I am right now. I already sent them the picture of a warning ticket to the other
That's
police.
okay. We can send them. You'll send them another one here in a second.
They can see the probably the location here, right? You know, we are in state.
Bonner's Ferry.
Yeah.
At the that helps. Okay, cool. Let me go type this up. I'll be right back. So.
Everything okay, sir? Did you find something in the truck?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Shit, sabi ko na nga.
So
I know.
it's not out of service. It's just it's a bad tire.
When I get to, I'm calling them to fix that thing up.
Yeah. And then the service airline, get all the way back here, and that.
Okay, I'm gonna replace that as well.
It's at the plate. It's at the ply. So
Yeah.
it is that's 1/16 of an inch from being done. So
I'm gonna
it looks like they tried to fix it by just covering it, but that didn't do anything. It's still rubbing down.
Okay.
So anyway, yeah. And this tire's seen better days. I mean, it's good. It's okay there, but you get back here and it gets worse.
Yeah.
So.
I don't know what's going on with the tire, but yeah, I'm just gonna need to need that thing to replace as well. And this one, gonna remove this.
Sometimes
Probably.
I've run into that. Sometimes there's an issue with the spring.
I guess.
They're out of adjustment.
Alignment, I guess.
Yeah. Might be a very simple adjustment.
Do I get a ticket for that?
No.
Oh, hopefully
you're
not.
getting a ticket.
Okay,
No,
thank
no,
you.
There's no tickets.
Okay,
You're
I'm
too
just.
nice of a person.
Thank you, sir. Just gonna write everything in there, and just gonna need to fix those thing out.
Yep.
I guess.
Yep, I'll get the official.
Even this thing, yeah.
So you can send it to the boss, and I'll have a location for you too, and all that. You can keep that going.
So this one has to be replaced right now, or probably okay.
Not right now.
Okay, that one only. That's the one.
That one, yes.
Need. Okay.
Yeah, 100%.
Thank you.
So that one's gonna explode on you at some point.
Yes, sir. I'm grateful that you pulled me over. Otherwise, I might kill someone. I might get
not.
hopefully, hopefully not.
Yeah.
Hopefully not. I might gonna get accident on worse, because that one it explode. It will pull to other vehicle.
Yep.
That's the bad side.
Not good.
Not good.
Okay, I'll be right back, man.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Thank you. Alarm. Ano ba to? Bakit ayaw gumana? Ayan. Guys. Picturean ko nga. Ba't di pa rin siya hindi pa rin niya ako pinapadala ng hindi daw niya alam, sabi niya eh. Raw vlog na to. Alam na pwedeng makapunta rito. Sir, do you have any shop or anyone that come here? Do you have any suggestion? Because they're
It's Sunday, they're all closed up
yeah,
here.
that's what he said.
Yeah.
It's Sunday afternoon. You're in the middle of nowhere. We're not exactly in the middle of nowhere, right?
They're in a town of 2,500 people. So they might have to reach all the way down to either Post Falls at Love's.
I told them that they will not gonna leave me here. I cannot drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
Or they have to call someone from Spokane or wait till tomorrow.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah.
That's bad.
There is one guy.
Yeah, you have the
Let me see if
Yeah.
I got his number.
yeah.
He's
I'm just gonna give them, this is the guy go so that they can from here. Sir, your camera is that okay to you? Camera okay?
Oh yeah,
no problem. Okay.
So you got try this guy.
I will take a picture.
Yeah. So if you can zoom in on that Coogee truck repair, it says he's closed, but he has a mobile unit,
Okay.
and he's in Libby. He's only like
Right here. Okay.
half hour away.
Okay. All right, sir.
Can you see his phone number? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I will.
Yeah. See if he'll answer. I don't know if he will, but he's come out before.
Okay. I will send this to my shop manager and then yeah. Okay.
Cool.
Thank you, sir. I will wait you the.
Yeah.
Okay. So babalikan natin guys. Nung nag-pre-trip ako itong gulong nasa ilalim ito. Kaya hindi ko napansin yan talaga. Ito yung naririnig natin na tumutunog nung nag-pre-trip ako. Raw vlog na to guys, raw vlog na to. Ito pala, hindi ko napansin kasi ganyan pala yan hindi ko napansin. Mahina lang kasi umaga hindi pa natin pinandar ang truck natin. Kaya halos wala na akong hangin, mahina pa. Pero ito pala yung isa pang problema. Oh. Ayan guys. Pero ito sabi niya hindi okay lang daw ito, yung gulong lang talaga. Pero ito isusulat din niya rito na kailangan ma-fix. Kaya kailangan ko picturean din yan. Yan guys, isi-send ko sa kanya lahat. Antayin ko lang kasi nandito tayo sa middle of na. Ayokong abutin pa hanggang bukas dito, di ba yan? Anong gagawin ko rito kasi simula ko lang magtrabaho. Paktay tayo. Ang daming nakita sa ang daming nilang nakita sa truck at saka trailer na problema. Raw vlog na to guys, raw vlog. Guys, nandito na punta rito si Sir Officer. Abangan natin. Punta na rito. Abangan natin guys. Sir,
There you go. There's that.
driver's license, yeah.
Yeah.
Important things.
Okay, so
How many violation do you I have?
7.
7 violation.
Here's your location, Bonners Ferry Port.
Okay.
There's the milepost and the highway. Not my help. So, the reflective material on the mud flaps
Yes, sir.
is gone
Okay.
or damaged. Like on the right-hand side is just gone. It's
Oh,
not
okay.
there.
Reflector material, yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna
So
need to
I
put-
showed you the airline that was leaking.
Yeah,
That little
I see
ABS
that.
one. And then I showed you this one here.
The tire.
Yeah.
Oh no, the
Service airline.
hoses, yeah.
Yep, the hoses. The ABS light's not cycling. It might be because of that hole. It might be the sensor reading there's an issue because it may not be able to hold the pressure it needs.
Okay.
And then the tires, what everything's out of service.
Okay.
So once the tire's fixed, you're good to go. Did you get a hold of that
Yeah,
guy in Libby?
I text him and then I send the picture that you gave me
Okay.
and said they are keep trying, no one is answering, and
Yeah.
well, I told them that I cannot live here without that thing fixed. That's
Yeah.
what they said.
So do you want to?
Sir, camera is okay.
You can park here,
Okay. Oh,
or if you want, we can go back to the Sturgeon. I don't know which one you want to park at.
yeah, I probably go back into the truck stop over there because there's a Wi-Fi good in there. I can probably open my
Yeah.
tablet in there. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, and you're looking right in the sun. You're trying to look at me.
Yeah. So I have a 7 violation, including with the.
Yeah, I was hoping I could replace that sticker that's on there, that green one.
The
'Cause
one?
That one's 2 years old.
Can you replace a new one? Not.
No, they gotta get all this stuff fixed before I can do that.
Okay.
So,
Yeah,
sorry.
sir. I have a CVC that one, but I got a perfect before. That's why I put in there that sticker over there. Yeah. Well.
So is this one almost due for a 6 month?
For what, sir?
Is this one almost due for the 6 month annual or biannual inspection?
It just happened.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, it just happened about 1 month ago.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, they suck. No.
So, do I have pay anything?
Nope. No, there's no tickets.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So once they fix it, they just sign there, and then just turn in the boss so they can sign everything off.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including 7 violation I have.
And 3 of them are for that tire.
Oh,
So once
okay.
that tire is fixed, like,
Yeah.
well, 2 of them are for that tire, and then this one is for the truck tire, the one that's worn down, that's all weird.
Oh yeah, yeah,
yeah.
this tractor, yeah. Okay.
Yep.
I gonna get this fixed immediately.
Yeah.
If it's but the first one has to be fixed, the trailer one, so that I can keep going. And then they will send me home, and they will do their thing in the yard.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
gonna
if you
move.
want to go to that truck
Go
stop,
back there in the truck stop. So
Yeah.
I'm not leaving.
just park next to the other guy that I just parked over there too. So.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. I am also I'm actually grateful that you pull me over. Otherwise, if you don't,
I'm
might gonna get accident though. Because I
Later.
don't know too.
Later on today, I'll see if I can find your YouTube channel. That'd be kind of fun.
Lucky Trucker is my YouTube.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, man.
I'm moving in there.
All right, that sounds good.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Okay. Alright guys, ayan. So, binsa-binsain ko muna itong mga sinabi nila sa akin na violation. Okay, so punta natin. Raw vlog na to. Ulitin ko, raw vlog na ito at ipakita ko sa inyo ang violation. Sabi niya rito is number 1 violation code. Kung na ipapakita ito guys kasi andito yung mga ano ng mga truck. Sabihin na lang natin. Ito, pang 8 yung, hindi 7 kasama na yung tire na yan. So, unang violation na nakita nila, ito, tractor ko ito. Ginawan ko na ng paraan. Ayan, violation. Papapalitan ko na ito. Palitan ko na ito. Pangalawang violation na nakita nila, itong gulong ko na to. Hindi naman daw ito immediately repairance, pero kailangan ipagawa na. Pangalawa yan. Pangalawa yan. Tapos ang pangatlo is ito. Ito, nawala yung reflected light ko dito o reflector ko. Linipat ng hangin siguro yan. Pangatlo yan, no? Pangatlo. Ang pang-apat is ito. Oh, ito, pang-apat ito. Pang-apat. Tapos pang-5 ito. Na nakita nila 7 violation talaga. Pang-5. Tapos yung pang-6 sabi niya dito. Okay, so tire has cut on the extended explayer barrel bend, air brake hose tubing damage, air brake hose tubing damage or not secure. Oh, ito siguro yun, pang-6. Oh, yan. Leaking, hindi secure. Hindi ito nagli-leak siya. Oh, yan. So, una yung ano natin. So, iunahin natin dito, nalito na tuloy ng pagbibilang. So, una ito, itong metal na ito, unang violation. Pangalawa, hindi siya naka-secure, dapat naka-ganyan, pangalawa. Tapos, ang pangatlo, ito, pangatlo yan. Okay? Pangatlo. Tapos yung pang-apat, ito, pang-apat. Nawala dito yung ating ano, pang-apat. Nawala yung reflector natin. Tapos pang-5, ito, itong gulong ko na to. Pang-5. Tapos yung pang-6, ito pang-6. pito. Ito. Ayan, hanggang pito. Pito. So, 7 violation ang ibinigay niya sa akin. 7 violation. At sabi ko, sir ka po, buti na lang hindi ako binigyan ng ticket. Yung officer na yan. Pero papasalamat ako at na pull over tayo. Otherwise kung hindi tayo na pull over patay tayo. Ngayon lilipat ako ng dito sa truck stop. Doon din sa kung saan tayo kaganina nag-conduct na pre-trip. Doon ko naantayin yung dispatch ko o yung nila sa akin. Okay, so was the scale open or did the highway patrol? Scale is open. Scale. Yan. I gonna move to guys, tara punta tayo doon. Wala tayong magagawa. But hindi ako pwedeng umalis. Hindi pwedeng umalis kasi kapag umalis ako at na-pull over ako ng pulis niyan, delikado yun, running na yan. Tatakbuhan ko na yung obligation na yan. Tayo doon sa truck stop niyo. Kaya naman ako ng pulis eh. Stop. Tara guys, malapit lang dito yun. Pinanggalingan natin kaganina. Naka-plug na tayo sa police. Kahit hindi yan ma-fix.
Turn right on US 2, then take the first
Violation
right.
pa naman. Guys, nandito na tayo. Ayun yung dito rin tayo nagpark kaganina, kaya balik lang tayo rito. Tayo. But anyway, nakausap ko na yung shop manager namin. At nakatawag na daw siya ng Michelin mismo. Pupunta rito para amin yan. Sabi ko na lang is magantay na lang ako dito. Ang sabi niya 3 hours daw bago makarating dito. Naku, patay tayo. So alas 12 na ngayon ng umaga dito at tanghali. Ayun. So ito, babasahin ko guys kung ano yung problema rito, no? Ayan. So number 1, basahin ko na lang, hindi ko na papakita. Number 1, so tractor lower rear retro reflective sheeting missing on vehicle manufacturer after July 1. Yun yung reflector siguro yun guys. So reflective yun yung violation. So in the mud flap, yun sa may mud flap. So, sabi niya rito, tractor lower rear retro reflective sheeting missing on vehicle manufactured on or after July 1. Reflective materials missing on the right side and damage on left side near mud flap missing at saka damage yun. Kaya dalawa yun na kailangan kong paalis o pagawa. So pangalawa, air brake hose tubing damaged or not secure, service glad hand connector near truck, reduce in diameter, reinforce ply impact. Yun nga yung ating ano doon, hoses natin yan. Tapos yung dalawa ito unit, dalawang problema. Air brake hose tubing damaged or not secure, axle number 5 left, EBS airline reduced in diameter and leaking from hole in line, air brake BS manufacturer lamp defective or truck or on-track tractor manufacturer on after March 1 and each single unit. Ayan yung ano nya, tubing damage. Okay, so dalawa yon. Tapos ito another, dalawa din. Light on dash off, truck comes on when brake apply. Okay. Light does not cycle. Light on dash off, truck comes on when brake apply. Hindi ko mag-get kung ano yung problema, ipapakita ko na. Tapos tires all others leaking inside wall area on tire equipped with ATIS, tread damage and leaking from sidewall area, left outer tire, dalawa yun. Tapos tire has a cut on extend that the ply or belt material is exposed, axle number 5 left outside tire damage and missing thread cord exposed in a thread tip. Ayan guys, ayan yung mga sinabi nila sa aking mga ipapagawa sa truck ko. Yung mga gulong lang at papalitan ko yung mga kung ano-ano doon. Anyway guys, yan, puputulin ko na video vlog kong ito. Antayin ko na lang yung gagawa. Part 2 na lang natin yung gagawa guys. Thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Peace out. Bye bye.
Lakai Tracker.